Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super crispy, super healthy, super quick and easy, cheesy snack made with beans, but tastes so good. It's addictive, but don't worry, it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of butter beans. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a bowl. Next, pour a quarter cup of tahini into another bowl. Along with a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Half a teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder. A tablespoon of black sesame seeds. And half a teaspoon of salt. Just mix it. And combine it with the beans. Now place them onto a baking sheet. And bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. And enjoy a super crispy and super healthy snack! Thanks for watching.